is a community of resilience, resolve, and determination. Every time there has been an obstacle, wastewater, stormwater, water, Claypool has risen to the challenge.
What an exciting day for the town of Claypool. Today makes an historical occasion for the town. As we break ground on this transformative wastewater treatment project, we are not just turning soil. We are turning a new page in the town of Claypool's history.
It is a significant day and step forward for the town of Claypool and for our community. And as we break ground on an innovative wastewater improvement project, we turn a new page of Claypool's story.
First, want to thank the Town Council of Claypool for their perseverance in the face of public pressure. They did their homework and stuck to the recommendations set forth to help Claypool meet new effluent treatment limits, alleviate localized flooding, support growth in the community, and provide for a cleaner discharge to the environment.
And it's opened a door that's been closed for new development and new housing.
Claypool is creating a better and more solid foundation for its residents for the future.
I want to recognize the three contractors associated with the project: Crosby Construction, G&G Hauling and Excavating, and Visu Sewer, who will be actively engaged in helping the community implement the proposed improvements.
I just want to sing some praises for Ben and Chris Harrison with Commonwealth Engineers.
I also want to recognize Pat Warner, as she worked closely with the financing team to help secure the final funding package through her work as the community's clerk treasurer.
The hardest part of this project was getting the financial side to work to make user rates affordable. And in the end, we ended up doing that. So the total project cost came in at $4.6 million, just over $2 million in SRF loan proceeds, $1.6 million in SRF grant funding, $750,000 in Ochre grant, $200,000 from the Kosciuszko County K-21 Health Foundation, and about $2,000 of cash on hand. If there were no grants and no interest rate reductions as part of the project, the user rates for an average residential user would have been $175 a month. SRF gave the town a 0% loan over 35 years, which eliminated about $1 million in interest costs over the life of the loan.
I have never seen a community who literally pulls themselves up by their bootstraps more than Claypool.
We're so thankful for our community. This gives us an opportunity to put our steps forward into a better future.